As we head towards
a warning has been issued for our area.
Where we're yelling, you get a high and you get high, and that could be the case in places average county. You're 9 degrees warmer than you were 4 hours.
As we head towards Monday to
Thunderstorm
Tuesday.
Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
Where we're yelling, high and you get a
has been issued for our area.
Where we're yelling,
a 7 severe
tornado. Up already, Chicago degrees warmer than you were 24 hours.
The National Weather Service in Port severe storm warning for northwestern County in northwestern Oregon, northwestern Icahn County in south central Pacific in southwestern Washington until 11:40 a.m. At 11, the radar indicated a severe fog producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. With the storm. This storm was located near Doppler, Warrenton, and moving northeast at 6 miles per hour. Penny hail may also accompany the winds. Locations impacted include Astoria, Warrenton, Megler, Pillar Rock. The following highways in Washington 8. State Route 6 between mile markers 15 and 20. This includes the following highways in Oregon. South. Highway 30 west of Portland between mile markers 89 and 99. Due south. Highway 101 between mile markers 1 and 15. Severe thunderstorms produce winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. This is a supercell thunderstorm. Due to the rotating nature of these storms, they are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extreme.
Great. Okay. Well, this year
1%.
we want to.
Simple.
Introducing the all-new DR Leaf and Lawn Vacuum, now at our lowest ever.
A hot warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 60 degrees. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area. Today, windy, strong to severe thunderstorms. High 61. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. Tonight, windy with rain and possibly some thunder. Low 53. Here's our 7-day outlook.